Say, hi there, I'm Madeline.
Hi, I'm Madeline.
And this is my new channel, Stars Do Shine XX.
This is my new channel, Stars Do Shine XX.
Hello there, my name is Grace, and you may know me as Care Drive Girls. I'm pretty cool, just kidding, I'm really not. But this is my friend Madeline's channel, and y'all should subscribe to her because she's freaking awesome. And you should check out my channel while you're at it. Link in the doobly-doo. Say, anyways, I'm 13 years old.
Anyways, I'm 13 years old.
I'm in 7th grade.
I'm in 7th grade.
And I love theater.
And I love theater.
Say, like, what kind of videos will be on your account?
Any kind of random videos. I might do some random vlogs because I've never really had a good channel. So I'll probably do some vlogs. And I can't do music videos because I'm not edited.
Unless if I help her.
Yeah, unless if Grace helps me. But, and I don't know what else I'll do because I don't really know how to do anything. So
say, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.
Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.
Say bye.
Bye.